What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I got a quick bonus video for you guys today. This is actually ridiculous. We got a 2022 BMW M3 competition for the low. Currently sitting at $34,000. It is going up for auction probably very soon to after this video gets posted. So I might even publish this later in the evening or like super early in the morning, like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, just because this car is going up later that morning. It's still evening for me, but I just learned about this car. Damn, can I not kick the camera? I just learned about this car now, and it's crazy. It's a 2022 BMW. I know some people won't get it, and they'll go, "What? How? It's not 2022 yet." Around August, July or August, depending on the manufacturer, they start putting out the next model year's cars. Like if I go out to my BMW, even though my BMW is a 2019 BMW 540, if I look at the build date on the car, I think mine was manufactured like early in 2019. But that said, you could have cars that were manufactured in 2018 that are actually 2019 cars. So this 2022 BMW M3 was manufactured sometime this year, maybe earlier this March, April, May, somewhere around that this year. And it's already done, flood damaged. It looks good, but it's definitely got electrical issues. It doesn't turn on. And it could be something as simple as drying it out, especially if it was fresh water. But let's go ahead and take a look at it, and then we'll come back. All right, guys, now this one is a little crazy for you guys. I wanted to show you guys this one. This is a 2022 BMW M3 Competition X-Drive. It's not even 2022 yet. This thing is so new, and it's already done. Crazy. And I'm trying to see like where the damage is on this one. It looks fairly clean. What is the deal? Oh, water. It's a flood. Flood car, electrical. Yeah. Where's it at? Newburgh, New York. Oof. Cash value on it is $78,700. Oof. You know what, though? This has got the S58 engine in it. Oof, that thing looks like such a beast, man. That looks like such a beast. I think it could be savable. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I think it's a hot car, man. Definitely a hot car. All right, so there you guys have it. That BMW M3 competition is ridiculous. I mean, even at $34,000 right now, I think in parts alone, especially if the engine wasn't running and it didn't like hydrolock or something, the parts alone on that car, you could definitely make back that $34,000 and some off of that car, no doubt in my mind. They're, you know, depending on what kind of water, if it was salt water, like a bunch of the modules and stuff are going to be done. Fresh water, a lot of stuff is savable. So it just depends, man. And BMWs are way more tech-centric now than they were even 10 years ago. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Just a quick bonus video for you guys. You guys have been loving the BMW content lately, so this came across, I saw this on social media over at IAA, and I was like, ooh, I need to talk about this car, because for those that are looking at getting in, I mean, think about this. That car is like 75 grand, and I guarantee you there was a markup on it. It's almost impossible to get a M competition of anything and not pay above sticker. So to be able to get that car at 34,000 bucks, 34 grand for a car that somebody probably literally in the last month or two probably paid 85 for, that's insane. That's insane. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I truly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.